Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2016 Skoda Fabia SEL estate. This car comes with the 1.4 diesel turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, returning up to 78 miles to the gallon. An insurance group of 11, and the car's covered just over 18,000 miles with full service history from Skoda. This is a one-owner vehicle, and this particular colour is called the Black Magic. As we have a look inside on the SEL, the car comes well equipped. So first of all, as you can see, you've got the great condition of the seats with the crisscross pattern on the outside. There's a armrest there in the centre, which is foldable as well for the front passengers. A few features I can mention: you've got your touchscreen there in the centre for your DAB radio and Bluetooth, and this car also has climate control as well as automatic headlights and wipers. And then on the driver's door card there, you've got your electric mirror switch and your two front window controls. As we open the rear doors, you have good access there into the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts. There's also a bit of extra storage there in the centre with pockets in the back of the front seats as well. It's also good to see the car's still got the original Skoda carpet floor mats as well. As we open the tailgate on the Fabia, you have the really good sized boot there for a relatively small car, with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. And then underneath the boot floor, you also have some extra storage and also your tyre inflator kit there at the back. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the roof rails, and also the 16-inch alloy wheels. On the back, you've got your rear parking sensors as well, so that's nice and practical. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and with a finance from just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.